Every time we hear of fire cases like B&B restaurant in Malviya Nagar, which claimed 22 lives, we see lot of newspaper articles related to the data related to firefightings or what could be the reasons. But these data, these articles in newspapers, in headlines, just goes for few weeks and then again overburdened with another new headlines. And this is being hidden. This is the case of every year, not the first time. And there are no proactive actions has been taken. Again, if I talk about these B&B Malviya Nagar cases which have claimed 21 lives, the government have set up a committee and decided to review the firefighting situations. And let me tell you the firefighting situations. There are only 71 fire stations in Delhi for 3.3 crore people population. That means there is only one firefighting station for 4.5 lakh people, which is a very huge number of people. At the same time, these 71 firefighting stations are having a manpower crunch, equipment crunch, and most of these equipments are outdated and or about to retire. There are 9,000 vacancies are there in this firefighting stations for firefighters, and many of the places in Delhi, the fire officers vacancies are completely vacant, not for this year but also for many years. On the other hand, these equipments like all type of vehicles are there. The large firefighting tenders are completely old. Their equipments are outdated and not able to perform the actions properly. Another thing is that the reasons of fire. It is every time the reasons of fire in the buildings are completely same. There is a huge density of buildings, huge density of people. People density in Delhi is 11,334 and even more at some places per kilometer square. So in these huge densities, when the buildings are completely at the congested places where even the paths are that much narrow that firefighting equipments are not able to reach, and they are not able to set up their equipments at the buildings so that they can rescue the people. Another thing is that the buildings are being overburdened by the electrical wirings, because all type of buildings or their electric wirings are compatible with the fans, tube lights, but not compatible with the ACs nowadays, which have been increased. The next reason is that the lack of safety norms, because the lack of inspections in the building and lack of safety norms in the buildings have made a reasons for have, are also the big reasons for these fire cases in the buildings. Like, there are no exit routes. The building which have given the permission of only the 3 installations or the 3 stories have even reached to the 6 stories building, and there was no inspection carried out. In fact, the inspectors are not available because these vacancies are also there. So these are few reasons, and because of the fire in India, almost 300 to 350 people are getting died every year, and we have to take this very seriously because these deaths can be prevented. And every year, not only in the case of the buildings or the congested places, but it is also the case of the factories, hospitals. Every year we see the hospital fires as well, and recently we have seen in the Bihar which have claimed 4 lives which were there in ICU. Also in the factories where lot of workers work, they also face such type of crunches, such type of issues, and they also face the life danger situations in these factories because of the lack of safety norms. Thank you.